Have you ever felt that quiet moment when your life starts to tremble? It doesn't happen with a crash, but with a whisper, a missed call, a door closing, a reflection you barely recognize. One day you're on solid ground. The next, you're in free fall, watching your identity drift away. This isn't just about losing things, it's about losing yourself. The world you built begins to crack, not all at once, but in small, ignorable fissures. Confidence fades, direction blurs, and you become a stranger to yourself. The descent is slow, a painful erasure of the person you once were. We rarely talk about this part, the fall, the emptiness, the shame of feeling lost. But the fall is where the story truly begins. It's the dark soil from which your strongest self will grow. Sometimes losing your footing is the first step to finding your true path. In the depths of the fall, silence is deafening. Friends' words fade, your own encouragement rings hollow, and all that's left is the echo of self-doubt. My world became an echo chamber. Every morning began with, "What's the point?" Stripped of titles and roles, I saw only failures and regrets. The world outside felt distant, like a movie I couldn't join. Profound isolation set in. I felt fundamentally separate from everyone. But in that emptiness, I realized, things weren't falling apart, they were falling into place. The life I'd built was made of expectations and fears, not truth. The universe wasn't punishing me, it was clearing space for something real. The noise had to stop so I could finally hear the whisper of my own soul. Sometimes you have to lose everything to find what matters. In the silence, you meet yourself. The turning point isn't a lightning strike, it's a quiet shift. For me, it came in stillness, when the pain finally broke and I stopped running. In that silence, I heard a whisper. "You are still here." Those words became an anchor, a flicker of light in the darkness. When you lose everything, you finally see yourself, stripped of ego, masks, and fear. It's a brutal honesty, but also a liberation. You stop blaming the world and start seeing your own power to change. The whisper grows stronger, guiding you through the uncertainty. The path isn't clear, but it's no longer dark. You find a new compass, your own inner wisdom. The journey back begins not with certainty, but with truth. In the ruins, you discover the foundation for your real life. The first step is listening to the voice within. The journey back is slow, a series of small, intentional acts. For me, it started with making my bed each morning, a promise of order in chaos. Rebuilding isn't about grand gestures, it's about laying one brick at a time, discipline, commitment, showing up for yourself. I became a gatekeeper of my thoughts, replacing "I am a failure" with "I am learning." This wasn't toxic positivity, it was refusing to let pain define me. Gradually, my self-worth returned, no longer tied to achievements or others' opinions. It became an internal knowing, forged in the fire of despair. Rock bottom didn't break me, it introduced me to my true self. Purpose isn't a destination, it's a way of being. It's found in peace after meditation, joy in a walk, meaning in helping others. I stopped chasing a life that looked good and started building one that felt good. True peace is found not in the absence of chaos, but in your ability to remain centered within it. Rebuilding is an act of self-love, one small step at a time. Walking through the fire, you emerge with truths only learned in darkness. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it, a teacher and a guide. Pain is a messenger, not an enemy. It signals what needs healing. When you sit with pain, it transforms from suffering to wisdom. Chaos creates clarity. When life unravels, you're forced to ask what truly matters. In the breakdown, you find your breakthrough. There's immense power in starting over. It's not defeat, but courage. Letting go of what no longer serves you is the ultimate act of self-love. Your past doesn't define your future. Restarting is turning the page, not erasing your story. Every ending is the beginning of a more authentic chapter. If you're in the dark right now, don't panic. This is where the real you is born. The darkness is a cocoon, the ground where your strength takes root. Everything falling away is making room for what's meant for you. Trust the process and the timing of your life. Your struggle isn't weakness, it's the start of your greatest comeback. The cracks in your foundation are where the light gets in. Every tear waters the seeds of a future you can't yet see. You are more resilient and powerful than you know. Breathe. Take one small step, then another. Be gentle and patient with yourself. The sun will rise again. Your breakdown is preparing you for your breakthrough. The best parts of your story are still unwritten. You hold the pen, go write your next most beautiful chapter.